Hey y'all, it's Lover by Nature and welcome back to my channel. Where on this channel we do talk about everything from hair, lifestyle, and talking about feelings and emotions. So if that is something that you would like to hear, you guys should definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So, hence from the title, we're going to be discussing my 8-month lock update. This video is going to be fairly short because I really don't have that many updates per se as with anything new that's happening to my hair. I can say that the only thing that I've changed as far as my regimen go, in my bottle where I normally have like my different oils and my water that I spray on a daily basis, I have added sea salt to that to help with the locking process. So I do not spray my hair every day with that, because if you do not know, sea salt does strip your hair down and make it very dry and brittle, which hence you need that to lock your hair if you want to lock your hair really good. So I do not spray that every day because I do not want my hair to break off. I do spray it maybe once a week now. But on my other days when my hair feels dry, when I normally would spray it with that water mixture, I now just oil it. And I think I'm just going to do this sea salt for month 8, and then on month 9 I will stop doing the whole sea salt thing. I just want to see how it's going to react to my hair and if it's actually going to help with the locking process any. As far as any other changes that I've done to my hair, nothing really. I've really just been letting my hair do what it does. I haven't really been feeling that great this whole past month, so I didn't really have a lot of clips to show you guys about how my hair was looking throughout the month. But hopefully for month 9, y'all, this eyelash is killing me. But anyways, hopefully for y'all, I don't even have long eyelashes. But anyways, but hopefully for month 9 I will have more footage for you guys to see throughout the month, so you can kind of see whether or not anything has changed or not. Yeah, other than that, everything is still the same. I did end up doing like a little crochet method on my hair to get some of my loose hairs away, but I didn't do like no big drastic things. So to me, I don't know, like you can tell a difference, but you can't tell a difference. I don't know, I just feel like my hair is at a standstill right now, so I'm like in a love-hate relationship with my hair right now. I'm still contemplating going back and forth between adding lock extensions, but so far I have resisted the urge, and I haven't even put no weave in my hair, so I'm doing pretty good. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, and I will see you guys for month 9. Peace and love.